What a fine day it is, isn't it, everybody? To watch a tutorial video, I mean. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can buy TKO in Binance. Now, for those people who do not know Binance, let me explain to you guys what Binance is. Now, Binance is the world's top cryptocurrency exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. Now, since it's the world's top cryptocurrency exchange, a lot of people use it and it's pretty secure. So, by listening to this, if you guys want to sign up into Binance, then you guys can use our referral link, which is in the description, to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. Now, with that said, for all those viewers who are new to our channel app tutorial, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comment. Now let's get into the video. So the first step is go to Binance.com and log in into your account. Then go on versus trade and over here click on versus classic. Now once you do that, it's gonna take you to the easiest mode on Binance where you guys can buy crypto. Over here on the search bar TKO. After you search for it, click on TKO/USDT or whichever thing you want to use to buy TKO. I like USDT, so I'm gonna click on TKO/USDT. After you do that, scroll a bit down and go on versus market. Now market means you guys can buy TKO in its current price. Alright. Now once you're over here, enter the amount of TKO you want to buy and click on buy TKO. Now once you do that, your TKO will be bought. So yeah, that's basically how simple it is to buy TKO in Binance. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, use our referral link and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.